fix Minecraft crashes. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Minecraft crashes. So if Minecraft is crashing or not opening on your Android device, here are some steps you can try to fix this issue. First of all, you have to check the update of Minecraft. You have to go to the Google Play Store and check for the update for Minecraft. So just go for the Play Store and search for the Minecraft here. Once you have searched for the Minecraft, if there is any update available, then you have to update up your Minecraft. After that, you can navigate to your device setting and scroll down and go for your apps. Once you are on your app, tap on the manage app and search for the Minecraft here. Once you have searched for the Minecraft, here you can tap on the storage option or clear data option to clear your cache. So you have to simply clear the cache of your Minecraft. Also, you have to ensure that your device has the enough storage. Delete the unnecessary apps or file. Also, a simple restart a simple restart can resolve many issues. Just tap on your long press on your power button and go for the reboot or restart option. Also, you can uninstall the Minecraft and then reinstall it from your Google Play Store. So this is the simple step how you can fix your Minecraft crashes. Also, you have to make sure you have stable internet connection, especially for multiplayer modes. So this is the process how you can fix your issue on your Minecraft. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.